Eating onions every day can offer a few medical advantages, but before that, I request all my new friends to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that every new video of ours reaches you first. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Onions are loaded with cancer prevention agents, especially quercetin, which diminishes irritation and shields cells from oxidative pressure. 2. Boosts immunity. The nutrients and minerals in onions, for example, L-ascorbic acid and selenium, assist with reinforcing the resistant framework and work on the body's capacity to fend off contaminations. 3. Heart health. Onions contain intensifiers that diminish cholesterol levels, lower circulatory strain, and forestall blood coagulating, all of which add to better heart well-being. 4. Digestive health. Onions are a decent wellspring of dietary fiber, which supports processing and forestalls blockage. They additionally advance the development of advantageous stomach microorganisms. 5. Antibacterial properties. Onions have regular antibacterial properties that can assist with combating unsafe microorganisms and advance generally well-being. Thanks for watching.